my SVT deep wave hair. I got 3 bundles in a closure for a good price. I paid with all my hair with my own money. And yes, I'm doing unboxing. It came this morning. I ordered it. I started it on Sunday. I ordered it online on Sunday and it came today. So what is it, Thursday? So that's not bad. Expecting, I thought it was gonna come next week, and I wanted it for my back to school hair. So, and I started school September 4th. So it came in great time. So it came in this little packaging. It was really cute. They gave me this little bag that says Cranberry, choose beauty, choose Cranberry on it. I was confused because I'm like, it's SVT here. Why is that? But so I got it in a 20-inch closure. And I'm sorry, a 16-inch. I don't know why that came off something, I guess, my other bundle. I got a 16-inch closure, a 20, a 20, and a 22. I wanted to get an 18-inch closure and an all 22s, but I don't understand what was happening, what I was doing. I think I was doing it too fast or something. But this is what it looks like. I got it in deep wave hair. I'm sorry, I meant to say that. This is probably the 20, either the 22 or the 20, because I took them all out the packaging. And I don't know why. I can't remember which one is which, but the smell, it doesn't smell like, it smells like hair, and that's it, hair in packaging. So it don't really stink. I didn't really get no shut-in, but that's because I just got out the packaging. So once I wash it and stuff, I really like the curl pattern. It's really pretty. It's really bouncy. And yeah, so this is what the 20, I believe, looks like. Or that might be the 22. I'm not sure, I'm sorry. But here's another bundle that I got. I just put them all in a little bag, and they came in this packaging. I just wanted to show you all what it looked like when I took it out the packaging. So this was my other one. This is probably the 20. The other one is probably the 22. Like I said, it's really pretty, like really, really pretty. I just want to know what it looks like after I wash it, because I noticed like processed curly look will probably go away. But I really like it, and it's like really, I thought it was going to be either too thin or too thick, but I like it just how it is. So this is probably the 22, yeah. And this, I can run my fingers through it and not get anything. But that's, like I said, it's because I just got it out the packaging, and it's because I haven't washed it yet. So I'm going to be doing a back to school. This is not going to be in my back to school here if I didn't say that already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a slick back ponytail, and I'm going to make sure I do a get ready with me on my first day of school, since I start September 4th, which I probably said already. And I'm going to make a unit after that. So after 2 weeks, I'm going to make a unit, and I'll basically do like a, like 3 weeks update on this hair once I start my unit and I wash it and everything else. And stay tuned for my get ready with me and my blog for my back to school. I'll probably say back to school 50 times already in this video. But I'm going to have a slick back ponytail, and it's going to be cute. So stay tuned. I can't wait. Well, I can wait because I don't want to go back to school, but can't wait to put it in my hair and see what it looks like. And I hope y'all enjoyed. So this is my SVT hair. SVT hair. I got it in deep wave. I got it in 3 bundles in a closure, which would be, one more time, 16-inch, 20, 20, and 22. And the smell doesn't smell like nothing. The price was awesome. I really liked it. And the shipping was great. I thought I was going to come here in like next week, and I was going to just have to wear my hair natural. But because it came this week, I think I am going to wear my hair how I want to wear it. So I'm happy about that. And yeah, and the packaging is really pretty. It gave me this little bag, and it didn't just come in a FedEx bag and a plastic bag. I really like that. So it showed me different from the other hair vendor that I bought from. So it's really pretty. And stay tuned for my back to school blog. Get ready with me.